Hello, this is Geometric Relationship 7.2, Angles in a Quadrilateral. Now first off, it's important to understand that all the angles inside a quadrilateral equal 360 degrees. And all the exterior angles of any polygon will equal 360 degrees. And we can kind of explain this by looking at any typical quadrilateral, which is any four-sided object. 1, 2, 3, 4, and understand that a four-sided object is essentially just two triangles. So one triangle is 180 degrees, and the second triangle is another 180 degrees, so in total it's 360 degrees. So that makes a lot of sense, and we can use this information to solve for all the angles inside a quadrilateral. So for example, just erase this. Let's say I have a quadrilateral like so. I have one angle at 80 degrees, another at 35 degrees, and let's say this one is at 75 degrees. So I have these three angles, and I'm trying to look for this angle right here, and I'm just going to call this angle W. So angle W, I know, should be what's left over from 360 degrees after these guys. So W, it's going to be equal to 360 minus 80 minus 35 minus 75. So 75, 35 is going to be 110 plus 180 is going to be 360. Subtract 190. I've done my math right. Yep. And 360 minus 190 is going to be 170 degrees. And that's going to be my angle W right there. So all these angles inside the quadrilateral, they're going to equal 360 degrees. Now there's a couple of interesting things that happen when we look at a quadrilateral made from parallel lines. So let's just get rid of this guy. So if I have two parallel lines like so, and I'll have a line here and a line here. So this is parallel to this line. I'm going to get what's known as kind of a C shape here. And when I have parallel lines, I know the ones in the corner, A and B here, A and B will equal 180 degrees. But that's only if they're parallel lines like so. Conversely, over here, these ones, C and D, they're also going to be 180 degrees. If I have a line that's then extended out from here, like so, it's going to give me an F shape. This. And because of that, all of the other angles, they'll have another relationship. In fact, in this case, this angle A here will be the exact same here. So it's essentially angle A again. So these two angles A will be equal to one another. And so that kind of gives me another relationship that I can use and work with. So we have our C shape, and then we have our F shape. And those can give us clues as to what other angles inside a parallelogram or a quadrilateral made by parallel lines and what they could be.